For Pasadena homeowners, durability and convenience are top priorities when choosing home upgrades. With warm temperatures, humidity, and occasional severe weather, your windows must handle the elements without demanding constant upkeep. That's one reason vinyl windows have become such a popular choice. They offer strong performance while requiring minimal maintenance, making them an ideal fit for busy households in Pasadena. If you're looking for a window solution that saves time and reduces long-term costs, vinyl windows deliver practical advantages that go far beyond appearance. No painting or staining required. Traditional wood windows often require regular painting or staining to protect against moisture and sun exposure. Over time, paint can peel, crack, or fade, especially in Pasadena's heat. Vinyl windows eliminate this issue entirely. The color is built directly into the material, meaning it won't chip or require repainting. Even after years of exposure to sunlight and humidity, vinyl frames maintain their finish with very little effort. For homeowners, this means no scraping, sanding, or repainting, just simple, occasional cleaning. Resistant to moisture and humidity, Pasadena's climate can include humid conditions and heavy rain. Wood frames are vulnerable to swelling, rotting, and mold growth when exposed to moisture over time. Vinyl windows are naturally moisture resistant. They do not absorb water, warp, or rot. This resistance helps maintain the structural integrity of the frame and prevents costly repairs associated with water damage. Because vinyl is non-porous, it also discourages mold and mildew buildup, contributing to a cleaner and healthier home environment. Easy cleaning and simple care. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is how easy they're to clean. Routine maintenance typically involves wiping down frames with mild soap and water, cleaning glass with standard window cleaner, occasionally clearing debris from tracks. There's no need for specialized treatments or protective coatings. Even after years of use, vinyl windows can look fresh with just basic care. Many vinyl window designs also include tilt and sashes, making it easier to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. Durability against heat and sun exposure. Pasadena's warm climate means windows are regularly exposed to strong sunlight. High-quality vinyl windows are engineered with UV-resistant additives that prevent fading and material breakdown. Unlike some materials that can crack or become brittle under prolonged sun exposure, vinyl is designed to maintain its flexibility and strength. This durability ensures your windows continue performing efficiently year after year. Fewer mechanical issues. Vinyl windows are built with simple, efficient hardware systems that are resistant to corrosion. In humid conditions, metal components can sometimes rust or deteriorate, but modern vinyl window hardware is designed to withstand these challenges. With fewer moving parts and durable components, vinyl windows typically require less repair and adjustment over time. Long-term energy efficiency. Low maintenance doesn't just mean less cleaning, it also means fewer performance problems. Vinyl frames often feature multi-chambered construction that enhances insulation and reduces air leaks. Combined with energy-efficient glass options such as double-pane construction and low-E coatings, vinyl windows help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures in Pasadena's heat. Because they resist warping and seal deterioration, vinyl windows continue to perform effectively without frequent intervention. Cost-effective over time. When considering the full lifespan of your windows, maintenance costs add up. Paint, repairs, refinishing, and potential moisture damage can increase long-term expenses with other materials. Vinyl windows offer a cost-effective alternative. Their resistance to weather, moisture, and wear reduces ongoing upkeep and repair needs, saving homeowners both time and money. A smart choice for Pasadena homes. For Pasadena homeowners seeking convenience and durability, vinyl windows provide a clear advantage. With no painting required, strong moisture resistance, easy cleaning, and long-term performance, they simplify homeownership without sacrificing quality or style. If you're looking for windows that can handle Pasadena's climate while keeping maintenance demands low, vinyl windows are a reliable and practical investment, helping your home look great and perform efficiently for years to come.